Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So at the end of last month, I posted a video that Bing Chat third-party browser support was becoming more widely available. And as we can see, and as Microsoft had announced, they had started rolling out the Bing AI support to all browsers, which is rolling out using a slow rollout. And that was including Google Chrome and Apple's Safari browsers. Now, just to let you know, in regards to third-party browser support, because I will leave that other video down below if you would like more info, but just to let you know that Microsoft has now announced over on X recently that it will also be bringing Bing Chat to the Brave web browser. So over and above being available obviously in Edge by default, and now Chrome and also Apple's Safari, Brave is also going to be getting the Bing Chat AI, which I thought was interesting. And in response to a question which was, would Bing Chat roll out to Safari or Brave in the near future, Microsoft's response over on X was simply, absolutely, full stop. Still have a couple of weird UX bugs to fix. So obviously there are a couple of bugs, but Microsoft has said absolutely the chatbot will be rolling out to Brave. So if you are using Brave and are using the Bing chatbot in other browsers, then this may be of interest and a move in the right direction. Now, currently, if you are using Brave, obviously Bing Chat hasn't rolled out to Brave, because we can see if we want to utilize Bing Chat in Brave, it still wants you to move over to Microsoft Edge. And if we click on Try Now, it says try Bing Chat, sign into Microsoft Edge and select Bing Chat icon in the browser toolbar. So obviously not available as yet, but as mentioned, is on its way to Brave, although there is no time frame given by Microsoft, but obviously I will post and let you guys know. Now, obviously, by making Bing Chat available on more browsers, Microsoft is obviously trying to reach a wider audience and increase its usage. But as I have mentioned in that previous video, which I said would be down below, Microsoft is limiting some of the capabilities and abilities of Bing Chat in other browsers like Safari and Google Chrome at this stage. So obviously they would like users to use those features and switch to the Edge browser, which obviously would be Microsoft's main purpose, to get more users to use the Edge browser and then indirectly Microsoft Bing. But nonetheless, interesting. Microsoft has said absolutely Bing Chat is on its way to the Brave web browser, and when that does happen, obviously I will post, and if I get more information, I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.